Hey boy, what you reading?
Oh, this story. So, I just read about Ashabul Kahfi. Did you know, in the Muslim world, there's a story that may not have reached our attention yet. When Muslim youth is often embark themselves with social media and other sources of entertainment, story like this is the one that we have to embrace. So, the story about Ashabul Kahfi is about the people who hide from religious persecutions that mentioned in Surah Al-Kahfi, ayat 9 till 26. So, the story is about like this. Long ago, in a distant town, there was a kingdom ruled by a tyrant king who forced people to worship idols. Among the people of his town, there were a group of young men who were firm in their belief in the one true God. They were known as Ashabul Kahfi. These young men refused to bow to the king's oppressive demands and instead chose to worship Allah. As their faith grew stronger, they faced severe persecution. The king and his followers would grow angry at their defiance, and the young men were forced to flee for their lives. To escape, they left the town in the middle of the night, not knowing where they were headed. As they traveled, they came across a cave in the mountains, which became their refuge, seeking protection from the dangers of the world. They prayed to Allah for mercy and protection later. Allah, in His infinite wisdom and mercy, granted them a miraculous sleep that lasted for many years. Also for a long period of time. I mean like infinite years, 1,000 years. While the world also changing, the young men remained in their cave, unaware of the passage of the time. Their bodies were preserved in a state of miraculous preservation, and when they awoke, they had no idea how much time had passed. One of the young men went to the town to buy food. When he entered the town, he was astounded to find that everything had changed. The people were no longer idol worshippers, but believers in Allah. The currency had changed and the town seemed completely very different. The young man returned to the cave and shared the news with his companions. They realized that they had been asleep for a very long time and that Allah had preserved them a sign for the people. As their story spread, many people came to the cave to learn the miraculous event. The Ashabul Kahfi became a symbol of faith, passion, and the power of Allah's protection. Their story was a reminder that even in the most difficult time, those who trust in Allah will find His help and mercy. The story about Ashabul Kahfi not just about the miracle sleep, but also about the perseverance of faith. It teaches us that Allah's protection can come in ways that we cannot imagine, and that true believers will always find a way to remain firm in their faith no matter the trials they face. The story serves a profound lesson about faith, trust in God, and the power of miracles that Allah grants to those who are steadfast, stay in His belief to Allah. So this thing, the story of Ashabul Kahfi, is the thing that we have to embrace as a Muslim youth. Why? Because in our lives, especially for the Muslim youth, we often face challenges in our lives, many challenges. Sometimes we are succeeded, sometimes we are failing, and sometimes we make mistakes and other things. But that's life. That's part of life. The thing is, when we make a mistake, when we face something that's so difficult, who do we want to believe? Because our world is uncertain world. Many things can change in short period of time. So we have to have that one that we can hold their promises, that we can believe. So that's why this Ashabul Kahfi is really correlate with what that we face in daily lives. There's challenges and how we can face them. We have to pray to Allah to the certain things in uncertain world. So I mean, Ashabul Kahfi is our representation, because Ashabul Kahfi consists of a lot of young men, and we are young men as my generation actually, and we have to look up for them, look how they believe in Allah in such a hard time, and look how they surviving past that phase by believing in Allah. So that's what we can interpret from the stories about. And that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I hope that my storytelling was good enough, and sorry for all the mistake. My name is Syed Rahmani from 11M42. Thank you for your attention.